Hi! In front of me is iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. Then scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode. Now you need to enter your current passcode and then tap on Set up Face Unlock. Following that, you need to rotate your device to portrait position and just get started. Then remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions over here. Now you need to select Continue and then reposition your face within the frame. Finally, you can click on Done here and rotate your device. Now when I switch off my screen, if I find the switcher over here, okay, so now when I switch it off and back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up. In order to adjust Face Unlock settings though, you need to access Face ID and passcode again, enter your current passcode, and then click on all of those switchers next to all of those features. For example, if you don't want to use Face ID to unlock your iTunes and Apple Store, just click on this green switcher. In order to use it, click on the same now gray one. In order to do that, you need to sign in to your Apple ID account. Then choose OK. I will go with Cancel though. If you wish to delete your face data, choose Reset Face ID. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!